Hi everyone, my name is Travis Proctor. I'm a Microsoft student partner at Washington University, and today I'm going to be showing you a Windows 7 demonstration video on tips and tricks for the new operating system. So the main thing I'm going to be focusing on today is keyboard shortcuts and show you the way that using your keyboard you can shortcut to launch applications and other kinds of windows. So throughout the video, the main key that I'm going to be using is the Windows key, and here's a picture of the Windows key itself. So the first shortcut that I'm going to be showing you today is how to open a search window. So simply using the Windows key plus the F key, I open a search window. So there I can look for anything, any files or programs on my computer. So for instance, I could look for some homework that I've been doing recently. And it looks through and see it finds me a couple of essays that I've been working on recently. So that's just a simple way to do a quick search of your computer. So the second shortcut that I'm going to be showing you today is a pretty simple one. It's just how to minimize the current window that you have instead of having to click on the minimize button here that I have. So this is done simply by pushing the Windows key plus the M key at the same time. You can see that it goes right down to the taskbar, and I can open back up and once again Windows plus M and minimizes it. So the third shortcut that I'm going to show you today is a pretty useful one, and what it's going to do is to open the run window. So what I'm going to do is push Windows key plus R at the same time. As you can see, it opens up the run window, and then for instance I could do something like msconfig to adjust my configuration settings for Windows 7 in my computer. So see, I can do something with startup or tools or services or just general. So close out of that. Okay, so the fourth shortcut that I'm going to be showing you today is something called Arrow Peek, and this is something new with Windows 7. It allows you to just kind of peek at your desktop while still having Windows open, so you don't have to minimize all your windows then bring them back up. So the way that you're going to do this is you're going to push the Windows key plus the space bar at the same time. And now I'm holding it down. You can see that I can just peek at the desktop, and once I let up, you can see the window come back up. So once again, Windows key plus the space bar, it minimizes your window, and then if you let up, then it'll just come back up. So you just get to take a quick peek at what's your desktop and close all the windows that you have open at that time. So the next shortcut that I'm going to be showing you is something that I think will really help people more quickly work through their tasks that they're doing. So a lot of times, this is one example when I'm working on homework, I'll have my notes open, but then also Microsoft Word, but then behind it I'll still have an internet browser opened up, maybe to Bing. And so, but then I'll realize that I want to get back to my desktop, so maybe I can open another program or open some documents or something like that. So, in order to do this more quickly without having to minimize every window to get back to the desktop, what you can do is just push the Windows key plus D at the same time, and it automatically minimizes all the windows and gets you back to your desktop.